Good morning, class 10th student. Yesterday we had talked about the hydrocarbons and we had discussed about the three families alkane, alkene and alkyne. Today we are going to discuss about the structures of carbohydrate. There are two types of structures, one which you called as aliphatic and another one which you called as aromatic. Now what are aliphatic? Aliphatic are the open chain structures and aromatics are the closed chain structure. I am taking an example for aliphatic as C3H8. This is your propane. When you take any type of hydrocarbon, you can just arrange them with long chains. That means C with 4 electrons, again second C with 4 electrons, then another C with 4 electrons, and for each electron there will be a pair of another electron from the hydrogen. That means they will always have a pair. One electron from the carbon, another from the hydrogen. So that forms a pair. So this is what you called as aliphatic, that means open chain structure. Second is called as closed chain structures. Closed chain means when you are getting the structure of carbon or carbon compound but in a closed pattern. That means I am taking an example of C6H6. This is what you called as benzene. This is a structure of benzene. One carbon had 4 electrons. That means 1, 2, 3, and so one more double bonding will be formed, that is this. The 2 electron from one side, one from the upper side, and the second, third, fourth one is at the lower side. Now for this carbon you are taking it 1, 2, 3, 4. For this third carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. For this fourth carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth carbon 1, 2, 3, upper one 4. For the sixth carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is how the carbon always forms a chain like structure in which it will have single bonding or either double bonding. So any type of this structure will go for closed chain structure, which is called as aromatic structure. There are some compounds which will always found in closed chain. Now we talk about structure of hydrocarbons. The first family is alkane. Its general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Single covalent bonding. That means it will always have single sharing of electron. Like we take an example of methane, CH4. Carbon has 4 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are going to attach 4 hydrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a structure in which single electrons are being shared, and that is called as methane. C2H6. This is your ethane. Ethane, 2 carbon will be there. C, C. Each carbon will have 4 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence, with all the 4 electrons, you will attach the group, and in between the carbon, you will have a sharing of 1 electron itself. Now your third structure, C3H8, that is propane. Now we have 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each carbon atom will have 4 electron, and from all the 4 sides it will be bonded with single sharing of electron. With hydrogen it will share 1 hydrogen atom, and for carbon it will share 1 electron from one and another one from the another one. Okay. So the next family is about your alkene family. Now what is alkene family? Alkene family is a family in which the general formula is CnH2n. This is a family which deals with double covalent bonding. Now the first member is not present, that means C1 is not there, because one carbon cannot hold with double bonding. एक नंबर का जो कार्बन है जिसमें सिर्फ एक कार्बन एटम होता है वो अपने साथ डबल बॉन्डिंग नहीं बना पाता है. तो वी आर स्टार्टिंग दिस फैमिली विद द सेकेंड मेंबर C2H4. First carbon, second carbon. Both the carbon will share 2 electrons. in between, and 2 electrons remaining will be held with hydrogen. So the double bonding is formed. C3H8. Now this is not necessary कि each carbon atom will have double bonding. Any two of the carbon atom will form double pairing. मतलब यदि किसी भी दो कार्बन के बीच में हमें डबल बॉन्डिंग मिलता है तो भी वो डबल बॉन्डिंग कोवलेंट बॉन्डिंग कहलाता है. C के 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, दूसरे C के भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. अब इसके पास बचे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, ऊपर एक नीचे एक. इसके पास भी बचे 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन तो आगे वाले कार्बन को अटैच करेगा और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऊपर आ जाएगा. थर्ड कार्बन के पास चारों इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, 1 2 3 4, तो वो अपने बीच में सिंगल बॉन्डिंग बनाएगा. तो दिस इज हाउ प्रोपीन इज बीइंग फॉर्म. लाइक द सेम वे यू हैव ब्यूटीन C4H8. किसी भी दो कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्डिंग का पेयर और बाकी सब के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्डिंग के पेयर्स होते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू योर थर्ड family, that is alkyne family, CnH2n minus 2. Now this is your triple covalent bonding, C2H2. Carbon 1, carbon 2 have 4 electron. इसके 3 electrons हम लेंगे जो ट्रिपल बॉन्डिंग की शेयरिंग करेंगे. देन एक कार्बन के पास एक इलेक्ट्रॉन बच गया जो हाइड्रोजन के साथ अटैच होगा. दूसरे कार्बन के पास भी एक इलेक्ट्रॉन बच गया जो दूसरे एक हाइड्रोजन के साथ अटैच होगा. इस तरीके से हमें एक और दूसरे कार्बन के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्डिंग मिलती है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल हम लेंगे प्रोपाइन का. इस फैमिली में भी C1 का मेंबर नहीं बनता है, मतलब वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट दिस फैमिली फ्रॉम C2. अब इसमें भी 3 कार्बन्स होने की वजह से किसी भी दो कार्बन के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्डिंग हम शो करेंगे. जो थर्ड कार्बन है उसके साथ बाकी हाइड्रोजन अटैच कर देंगे. Same way in the third example C4H6 ब्यूटाइन. किसी भी दो कार्बन के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्डिंग शेयरिंग होगी और बाकी के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्डिंग की शेयरिंग होगी. ये एक मेथड है जिससे हम लोग कार्बन के स्ट्रक्चर्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. ये स्ट्रक्चर्स काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं और ये इम्पॉर्टेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स हमें आगे भी कई फंक्शनल ग्रुप में हेल्प करेंगे. सो practice this at your home, and if you find any difficulty you can contact me.